In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends in GTA 5 Online. So first thing you can do is, if you're in GTA 5 Online, just click on the escape and then you're gonna go to friends over here. Actually, you want to go to online, not friends. And then you want to go to online, and here you're gonna go to players. Here you'll find the players in the server. So let's say if you wanna add someone, just click on their name, click twice, and you will find send friend request. So once you send it, he will be able to receive the friend requests. So another way what you can do is, if you just close this escape, you can click on the home button. So if you click on the home button, you will see this social club account. So if you go here to social and you go to friend requests, here you'll find all your friend requests. Here you'll find players, so you have to enter their name, you have to enter their rock star game tags, game nicknames. So if I said, let's say Samboy Rock, let's see if I can find myself here. Rock, let's see, Sam. Here you can find players, as you can see, and to add them you just click on this add button and they will be able to find the friend requests over here. So yeah, that's another way to add friend requests. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.